Good morning, DIYers. Okay, another day. I'm still working on getting the tensioner off. So I'm going to start there. And let's get this tensioner off. And then today I plan on removing the... let's see, after I do the tensioner, I want to get off the alternator. Then I gotta try to get off this manifold, hopefully today sometime. I got another part I have to release to get off here. Let's see. I'm gonna remove it. I think I'm going to remove this today to try and get to the, because it's connected to the manifold. Let me see. Yeah, that's the only way I'm going to be able to get this stripped screw off. This is going to have to come off. So let me see there. I'm not sure what part that is, but there is a clip here. So let me see. I'll do that with a screwdriver. But let's get busy this morning. Alrighty. This is a real tight fit, so let me see. Okay, this is gonna be a tight fit, but I already loosened the first screw, which is here, and was having a problem with the tensioner, the middle one, man. It was kicking my butt yesterday, so I don't think I need to take it off. I think once I get this bottom one off, I can just pull the tensioner out, I believe. So we're about to see though. Alrighty, let's continue. Another beautiful day here in the state of Colorado, September. Weather got it going on. That's what we do. Okay, let me see if I can get this on. This was tough yesterday. Is that going to be too long? Let me see. Yeah, that might be too long. I'm going to have to go smaller. The 1/4 ratchet is the only one that'll fit in there right now. I don't have any room for another sized ratchet, so it's keeping me humble and interesting. Patience, DIYers, patience. That's the only way we're gonna get anything done. Okay, I'm looking for my one of my dirty rags. Let me see where one's at so I can clean this off. Can continue. Oh, there it is. Wait, nope. All right, I have plenty of rags, but I want to stick to the one I have been using. Okay, let's continue. Try to get this off. Alrighty, let's see. Down and under, there it is. Let me see, will that go over here? Oh, I can't get my hand in there. Okay. Let me see. I believe that's it. Let me see. Yeah, let me see. If I can, I'm going to use another set and try to get the middle. Let me try to get the middle off again, man. It was just rough yesterday. I'm going to try again. Okay, DIYers, I'm still working at it. So I'm going to be turning my video on and off. Good morning, DIYers. Finally, I got my engine mount off. And now I'm going to try to continue to get this pulley off. Boy, this was rough. This was really, really rough. I didn't record me getting it off, but I'll record it putting it back on. So we are going to continue to get busy. I'm going to try to take off this Tensioner. I've already removed the oil pump. Not the oil pump, the power steering pump. So I'm going to try to get to the Tensioner and the... I'm going to try to get to the alternator as well. Okay, let's see if we can get this in here. DIYers. I'm going to try to take this off. Let's see where that bolt is. Okay, let me see. That bolt is right there on the bottom. Let's see if we can get this in here. Boy, they gave me a lot more room. Okay, DIYers, I finally got it loose. My Tensioner. Sorry, I've got a new tripod that I'm experimenting with, so hopefully it won't jump too much. But let me show you what I had to do to get that Tensioner off. So I had to do it like I did my serpentine belt. I got a 14mm wrench. Let me show it to you. Okay, so I got the 14mm wrench in here. Give me a second, let me get it set up. So I got the 14 millimeter wrench here. Let me get that in there. Okay. Then I had to use another. Okay, hopefully I'm still recording with my mic. I have to check my mic every once in a while. Let's see. Got it loose, so let me try to get it out with my hand. Okay, there it is. Probably gonna drop the screw, I don't care. I'll get it back. Let me try my other hand. Boy, this is such a tight spot. If you're gonna do this yourself, DIYers, this is a very, very tight spot. I've watched a lot of videos and it showed how tight of a spot it was. Screw's almost there. Let me see. I'm just gonna probably let it fall. I'm not sure how long the screw is. Let me take the socket off and let me try to unscrew it. I'm not sure how long the screw is, but we'll figure it out. That is a, thought it was a okay, I'm not sure what's going on with my mic. It keeps going off. So what I'm going to do to make sure I can record with my mic, I'm going to take my wireless out of my phone and just record from my mic on my wireless. On my phone. Let me take the wireless out. Okay, let me make sure it's all the way up. As far as volume. Okay, we should be fine as far as the recording goes. So we're gonna do it without the wireless. Okay, recording without the wireless mic. So I'm close enough to my phone, so we should be fine. Taking out this screw, and my tensioner should come out. Okay. So the back bolt is 10 millimeter. The front bolt, this one I'm taking out right now, is 12 millimeter. So 10 and 12. Okay, that's off. Let me see. Let me take this out. Move the pump over here. All right, let's see what's up with this tensioner. Should come right out. Nope, let's see, hold on. Oh, I think I got another, nope. Oh, the center bolt, yeah. What am I doing? I got a center bolt that I got to take out. Let me get an extension on that. I'm not sure what size that is, so I'm gonna get a 12 and I'm gonna get a 14. I got to take out the center bolt, and then it'll come out. All right, it's a, center bolt is a 12 millimeter. So let me get that in there. Get it out. Let's see. Okay. Hopefully this ain't gonna give me no problems. Let me get a little bit of leverage. There we go. It's trying to loosen. Get a little bit more leverage. There we go. Got it. Try to take it out. Okay. Okay. That center bolt, it's long. How long it is? 12 millimeter. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna let me jack my vehicle so I can pull it out. Okay, DIYers, I finally got the tensioner off. I loosened the bolt from the back. That back bolt, I accidentally, for some reason, there was a 10 millimeter bolt back here that I loosened. I just put it back on. I'm gonna have to tighten it, and I'll show you where it came from. Let me get my extended screwdriver so I can show you where I pulled it from. But the back bolt for the tensioner is actually 12 millimeter, not 10. It's a 12 millimeter in the back and a 12 millimeter in the front. So here it comes. Here it is. My tensioner is off. Okay. So I'm not sure. I mean, it looks okay, I guess, but it's being replaced. So if I'm not sure if this is the original Honda or if it's already been replaced at least one time. But as you can see, that oil leak I had, boy, that oil leak went all the way down. So the next thing I'm going to replace is I'm going to replace the oh, I'm sorry, let me show you what I took off. That was the 10 millimeter. So there was a 10 millimeter bolt right here that I shouldn't have taken off. So I put it back on, and I'm going to reinstall it. But tensioner back, tensioner front, both 12 millimeter bolts. So